that we used to only ask. But you don't need to ask anyone else. There is only one Baba. There is so much available on the internet. So even if you learn 24 hours a day, your life is not enough. But at least as a practice, keep on learning. So these are some of the personal things which I tell them.
So basic learnings, priority in life, first health, second family, third wealth. That is the priorities. Second is keep on learning. Major thing, keep on learning, correct? So this is an advice for everybody, right from like the startups to peers, people your age who are like most of us sitting on the front row. What else? What other advice would you like to give us since we are also here?
No, as a professional, I can tell, I cannot give you advice because you are more knowledgeable than me. But what I give to my children, that is more appropriate because I have that right. So when it comes to profession, see, one of my son, I have two sons. One of my son, he is into, one fine day he came to me. He completed his post-graduation from Nottingham University. He came back fortunately back to our country, and he said, he was working with our holiday division. And one fine day he comes to me and he says, I want to start manufacturing chappals. Because I have always told them that whatever you like, you should do whatever you like. So your passion is more important to keep you or allow you to sail through those bad times. Because if you don't like what you do, then during bad times you will run away like this. But if you like what you do, nothing like it. You will not run away, you will stay there. So first thing is very important, that do whatever you like. Second is, you should be best in whatever you do. So try to be as perfect as possible in whatever you do. That means studying that whatever segment you want to grow in detail, whether it is law or whether it is competitor or practices of standard practices, whatever it takes, try to become as professional as possible and as perfect as possible in that trade. So that is very important. Third thing, which is also very important, which I lost, you need to be very focused. So unless you are focused, you will not grow. Because I don't believe that opportunity knocks your door only once and all. Opportunity keep on knocking your doors. You only need to keep your eyes and ears open. So if you stay focused, you can grow in that field. So it is very important that you stay focused. Fourth thing is, it is very important to do hard work. Hard work, whenever we say hard work, people think of laborious work. But thinking is more harder than laborious work. Even designing your MIS is harder than laborious work. Training your people is more hard work than anything else. Delegation is also hard work. Delegation also requires courage. So it is very important to continue doing hard work. And last but not the least, when you are business, you need to learn how to manage your money. Because unless you know how to manage your money, don't come to business. I have done that and I have burned my fingers. So go to expert, appoint excellent experts. So you should have experts around you, get best consultants. But unless you learn money, don't venture into business. One more thing, I have met quite a few people. See, there are multiple kind of people. Entrepreneurs. So I have categorized them into two categories broadly. One category is entrepreneurs. They want to become entrepreneur because they want that freedom. So I call them as self-employed rather than entrepreneur. Because they want to work for themselves. So दोपहर में 2 घंटा सो जाऊंगा, So their main objective was becoming entrepreneur is Meri Marzi. I don't call them entrepreneurs, I call them self-employed people. But entrepreneur, if you want to become entrepreneur, it is very important to understand, can I keep away all my luxuries if it comes to that? Can I sustain without taking even single paisa from my business? Is it possible? Am I willing to do away with my car and go on cycle? Is it possible? If mentally it becomes possible, then physically also it becomes possible. But mentally, if you are not prepared to compromise, you might not have to go by cycle anytime in your life. But mentally, if you are not prepared, please don't enter into entrepreneurship. Because that is the wrong time to enter into entrepreneurship. Particularly in ITs, I have seen people, they mainly focus on doing something and then getting funding. So, unless you are passionate about what you are doing, you cannot grow. So, unless you are ready to compromise on your luxuries, you are not ready for entrepreneurship.
Like we had discussed previously during our tea, you had mentioned something. ये सब चीज करेंगे. Let us assume that we do have all of this. We learn how to manage our funds. We learn how to manage our people. We are focused. We are doing everything right. We are growing. There's one more thing. This is the disruptive model. Today, you have worked 25, 30 years, grown from like taxis to 4,000 employees, 1,000 vehicles, and suddenly along come two Bansals and start something like Uber or something, and then they grow like 10 times your size. How do you face such change? How do you face such disruptive models?
That's why learning becomes very important. I read one book long back. There is one book called Lateral Thinking. So I practice lateral thinking. So like, just to give you one example, Lakshmi Road people, they come up with sale. So we as a transporter never come up with Diwali sale, dhamaka, ye wo. So can we apply same principles in our business? So there are multiple businesses, multiple practices. With technology, more and more doors are opening. See, previously technology was used only to bring in efficiencies. Now mostly for last few years technology is being used for building businesses. And that is disrupting models like this. So I believe that people like me, we are responsible for not taking care of our own business. That is why Uber is there.
Correct.
So if we would have been forward thinking, we could have started it long back. Because whatever technology he has built, that technology existed for last at least 10-15 years. Which is mainly based on your maps and GPS, so all that technology was available. But no one from existing businesses thought. Because unlearning is more difficult than learning. So when you are into a particular business, disruption from same business person has not happened. Because unlearning, क्योंकि हमको ये मालूम है क्या नहीं होने वाला है. We know that for sure. क्या होने वाला है, we don't know. So that is why this disruption happened. But if you keep an open eye on what is going to happen, and see, recently I read one book also, which is, I encourage all of you to read that book, Pierce Incorporation. That is written by promoter of Zipcar. So relationships are changing. Employer-employee relationship is now being converted to company and peers or vendors. So you will find all asset-light companies are flourishing when we were young like them. So we always heard that investors